you're about to meet the only jazz ukulele player in San Diego County. Is that correct?
Female.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's all right.
Doggone it.
That's
I had
huge.
it, and then I got off track.
It's all right.
That is huge. The only female jazz ukulele player.
San Diego.
Yes, and on the bass,
Paul Tillery.
Paul Tillery.
Yeah.
Welcome, and
Thank you.
thank you for
Yeah.
making time and coming on the show, you guys.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having us.
We
This
were
is very
listening to you
exciting.
earlier, and you guys sound really good.
Thank you.
I like it.
We play all over town. I mean, last night we were at the Wellington, which is in Mission Hills. We're there every Thursday, 7:30 to 9:30.
It's a great place.
And then the Red Door, right next door. We're there Sundays, 11 to 1. And then this month, we'll be at Turquoise Cafe Europa in Pacific Beach every Wednesday for happy hour, 5 to 7.
Nice. I like that.
So-
How did it's such a unique instrument? How did you? It says you got into it back in 2006. So tell me
Yes.
how did that happen?
Well, a friend of mine lives in Encinitas, and she said, you've got to check out this pizza place. I mean, it's just crazy. On Wednesday nights, they have Hawaii night, where there's like 40 or more ukulele players,
Right.
all playing Hawaiian music. I'm originally from Birmingham, Alabama. I have never seen a ukulele before.
What is that small little thing?
Exactly. So we go, and I was just spellbound.
Right.
Oh,
I
my
mean,
goodness.
the happiness, the spirit that was there, I just had to play.
Right.
And so then I started. And
Very nice.
Sarah, in Alabama, that's
Yes.
fiddle. It's
Well-
pretty much what it is. I mean, honestly.
It's
Even
actually
though it
about
doesn't
the right
have
size.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, if you show that to somebody in Birmingham, they'll just think it's a fiddle.
Yeah.
Now, the ukulele is one thing. The bass and
Yes.
the foundation, the bottom of the music, comes from Mr. Tillery.
yes.
And how long have you guys been working together, Paul?
A little over a year. It's coming up on like 2
2
years
years.
pretty soon here. So
Yeah.
yeah, and we met. I was playing on a CD release party with her, and her bass player that recorded on her first album couldn't make it. And after I played, she decided that I was a better fit.
Yeah.
So you don't have to show up at work anymore and just let him go.
Yep.
You're just out of here.
Tell us a little bit about your first album, because I like the title of it.
Have you will travel?
Have you will
You
travel?
know, this instrument, I love it. It goes anywhere. You know, I
What's
take,
the craziest place you've ever played?
I don't know, the tire shop maybe?
Yeah,
That
we
was
played.
pretty fun.
We played at a tire
Really?
shop.
The Tire Depot
Yeah,
on
Tire
Adams
Depot on
Avenue.
Adams Avenue. We played on
25th anniversary.
the alignment rack. He
Yeah.
put it up off the ground with plywood, and we played up there.
It was awesome.
You really will travel with that thing.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
absolutely.
Anywhere.
Both of us, even the bass.
It's hard for me to keep up with her though. The bass is. I got a wheel.
It's heavier. I mean, honestly.
Much
And
bigger.
Yes, you're asked to carry more weight, certainly.
And so that's your first album. Are you coming out with another? Have you come out
I
with
have
multiple?
a second one actually. The second one Paul is actually on. It's called In the Moment.
Paul, you made it in.
about
Yeah.
I did.
You
Yeah.
made it
I
in.
did.
And there will be a third one coming out this year. So
Very nice.
we're in the works of picking songs for that one. So
That's
it should be a lot of fun.
great. Can we hear a little bit?
Yeah.
Absolutely. We'll be happy to go over and play for you guys
Okay,
for a little bit.
perfect, perfect. So where can people actually find your album and check out more of your music?
You can actually go to sarahmazel.com. That's my website. You can order it from there. If you come to our gigs, we always have them for sale there.
Okay.
And they're $15 each, but we're all over.
Yeah.
All over the
And I'd
county.
like to mention that both of us are teaching out of a new studio that a friend of ours opened. It's
Yeah.
at 3214 Adams Avenue.
Very
It's
nice.
Yeah.
the website's thebestlessonsinsandiego.com.
Okay, and so people can get private lessons,
Yeah,
group
on
lessons.
guitar, ukulele, bass, and piano right now.
Oh,
Yeah.
very cool.
And
Yeah.
So you have a very cool way of saying ukulele.
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 That's
So
the Hawaiian way.
we can move you over there now, and we
Absolutely.
can get a little jamming with the ukulele.
Ukulele.
and
yes.
The bass. I'm just going to say bass.
Yeah, the bass.
Stand up.
Very
Bass.
nice.
Bass.
All right, well, you guys go play. We'll put up your information again so people can figure out.
Fantastic.
Yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait to
Should
hear
be
you
a
guys do
blast.
this. It'll be good. So here's their information. Make sure to check out both of her albums, and with her third album on the way. And here is Sarah with her ukulele. Show us what you got.
East of the sun, of the moon. We'll build a dream house of love, dear, near to the sun in the day, near to that moon at night. We'll live a lovely way, dear, living on love in that pale moonlight, just you and I, forever and a day. Love will not die, we'll keep it that way. Up among the stars we'll find a harmony of life to a lovely tune. East of the sun, west of the moon, dear. East of the sun, west of the moon.